Oh, it's coming this way. Oh, look with the keys. Oh, son of a bitch, now I gotta get it. Oh my God. Oh, that smells, I mean. Oh my God.
Oh.
Don't mind the mess.
Oh yeah, no problem. I'm going to two-story apartments down the corner, right behind the DES office.
Okay, you show me. I don't know my way around here. I just moved here.
Oh, you did? From where?
New York.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
New Yorker, huh? Man, I meet so many people. Used to have some neighbors of mine when I was living over in Sunny Slope that was from New York.
Oh, cool.